Life, death, two sides of the same coin, but is it truly the end, or just the beginning of another journey? This question has echoed through humanity for millennia, whispering of lives lived before and lives yet to come. The concept of reincarnation, the belief that our souls return to Earth in new bodies, offers a compelling perspective on this enduring mystery. It suggests that death, rather than being an end, is a transition, a doorway to new beginnings. Throughout history, cultures across the globe have explored the possibility of reincarnation, weaving it into their spiritual beliefs and practices. From the ancient Egyptians to the cycle of rebirth in Hinduism and Buddhism, reincarnation has provided solace and meaning in the face of life's greatest unknown. These ancient beliefs, passed down through generations, offer a glimpse into the enduring human fascination with what lies beyond the veil of death. The concept of reincarnation invites us to consider the possibility of a soul that transcends the physical body, a spiritual essence that embarks on a continuous journey of growth and evolution through multiple lifetimes. It suggests that our experiences, both the joys and the sorrows, contribute to the ongoing narrative of our souls, shaping who we are and who we are yet to become. This intriguing perspective offers a different lens through which to view our lives, our purpose, and our connection to the universe. The echoes of reincarnation resonate through the stories of history, appearing in the spiritual traditions of diverse cultures. Ancient civilizations, from the Egyptians to the Greeks, wove this belief into the fabric of their understanding of life and death. The Egyptians, for instance, believed that the soul, or Ka, journeyed through the underworld after death, eventually returning to Earth in a new body. Their elaborate burial rituals, as seen in the pyramids and tombs, reflect their belief in the continuity of life beyond the physical realm. In ancient Greece, philosophers like Pythagoras and Plato contemplated the nature of the soul and its journey through multiple lifetimes. Plato, in his dialogues, explored the idea of the soul's immortality and its ability to recall knowledge from past lives. These philosophical explorations helped to shape Western thought and laid the groundwork for further exploration of reincarnation in later centuries. Eastern religions, such as Hinduism, Buddhism, and Jainism, have long embraced reincarnation as a central tenet of their faith. These traditions view life as a cyclical journey, with death marking not the end but a transition to a new birth. Karma, the law of cause and effect, plays a significant role in these belief systems, suggesting that our actions in past and present lives influence our future rebirths. The cycle of reincarnation continues until the soul achieves enlightenment or liberation, breaking free from the cycle of birth and death. Across continents and cultures, the concept of reincarnation has persisted, offering a framework for understanding the mysteries of life, death, and the nature of the soul. While the specifics of these beliefs may vary, they share a common thread: the idea that our existence extends beyond the confines of a single lifetime, connecting us to a larger tapestry of spiritual growth and transformation. In the 20th century, the rise of parapsychology and the exploration of consciousness brought renewed interest in reincarnation. Researchers began to investigate claims of past life memories, particularly in children, who often have vivid and detailed recollections of previous lives. These accounts, often spontaneous and unsolicited, intrigued researchers and opened up new avenues for investigating the possibility of reincarnation. One of the most well-known proponents of past life regression therapy is Dr. Stevenson, a Canadian psychiatrist who dedicated his career to studying children who claimed to remember past lives. Stevenson meticulously documented over 3,000 cases, collecting evidence and investigating the veracity of these claims. His research, though controversial, provided compelling anecdotes and suggested the need for further exploration into the nature of consciousness and memory. Past life regression therapy, a technique used to access memories from previous lives, gained popularity as a tool for personal growth and healing. Through hypnosis and guided imagery, individuals could tap into these purported past life experiences, gaining insights into current life patterns, relationships, and unresolved traumas. While the scientific community remains divided on the validity of past life regression, many individuals find it to be a transformative experience, offering valuable insights into their current life journey. The exploration of reincarnation in modern times highlights the enduring human fascination with the mysteries of consciousness and the possibility of life beyond death. While scientific evidence remains inconclusive, personal accounts and anecdotal evidence continue to fuel curiosity, and invite us to consider the possibility that our lives are part of a much grander and interconnected tapestry of existence. What do you think about reincarnation? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more intriguing explorations, and see you next time.
Aliens lurking in the skies at night, lost knowledge shining through the light. Whispers of the past echo right here on Dan Rico's channel, nothing to fear. Dan Rico's creative nexus.